What's up guys, it's Trevor with Embers. We're in the kitchen today. We're gonna be actually barbecuing even though it's the middle of winter. We're putting some of our barbecue grills to the test. But I thought we would do a blind steak experiment. So I got a couple of ribeyes here. Got a fresh ribeye from the refrigerator. And I have one frozen solid. We're gonna infrared sear these and see if we can taste the difference. I'm thinking we're going to, but you never know. Let's go. Don't forget, if you guys are in the Denver, Colorado area, you can come to our showroom today. Check out all of these awesome products for yourself. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Look at that. Subscribe, thumbs up, do all the things. How in the heck am I even gonna season that? I feel like it's gonna taste different just because I'm not gonna be able to season it good. What do you think, Chris? You think you'll be able to tell a difference?
I think so, yeah.
So I wouldn't say it's a hotly debated item. I think in general, people know you probably don't want to grill or cook your steaks frozen. But there is a few people out there I've seen that swear by it. I'm not one of them, but let's give it a shot. I mean, look at all that. It's not really a freezer burn because I just froze it just last night, so we're not gonna taste any freezer burn or anything. So this is my fresh Italian olive oil that I got in Tuscany myself. Always like to use some sort of binder when you're seasoning your steaks. I know this fresh one's gonna be absolutely delicious because I do feel like I've kind of mastered how to grill a steak. I like just searing it on infrared heat with a gas grill because I feel like it locks in the most amount of juice. And then I like to use olive oil or mustard as a binder. Try to make a binder here on this frozen one. Ooh, that's cold. But, and then just a really, really simple sort of rub. So you couldn't just go straight salt, pepper. This is a Grillaholics. SPG, which is salt, pepper, garlic. Now, SPG rubs are my absolute favorite because I don't think you want to get real cute with your rubs when you're cooking a steak. You probably heard me say that before, but real simple, salt and pepper, maybe garlic if you really want that. But we'll include a code down below. You guys can get a discount on all Grillaholic stuff right on their website. Go ahead and give you that discount there. All right. Man, my hand is cold. Let's season these bad boys. I just feel like it's a sin working at a barbecue shop to throw this thing on the grill. What do you think, Chris?
It'll be a fun experiment.
I mean, let's see if that seasoning will even stick to it. Yeah, it's sticking pretty good. Look at this thing. It's like a rock. Be used as like a weapon. Now it's pretty easy to get the size and everything. It's all right, let's get our fresh one. This fresh one's gonna be good. I like to go pretty generous, especially on a thicker, bigger cut like this, because on the thicker cuts, you know, a lot of that flavor isn't gonna get down into the meat. So season to taste, but whatever you do, don't get fancy or cute with sweet rubs and coffee. Sometimes coffee rubs are good on like a ribeye, but I don't know. I just salt, pepper, garlic guy myself. All right, let me wash my hands. And actually, we got to throw these on the grill anyway. I got one clean one. Should we go out to the barbecue? Let's do it. All right, so we're cooking on our Heston, which is my favorite gas grill. And the way we have this guy trimmed out is we have an infrared burner and then 3 normal burners. So we're gonna be cooking, searing over infrared heat. If you're not familiar with infrared heat, the best thing about it gets 12 to 1800 degrees. Nothing's gonna lock in the juices on the steak better than that. So let's put the fresh one on. Actually, let's do the frozen one first because I know the frozen one's gonna take longer. I mean, it's science, right? All right, should we try it? Should we just get in there?
Let's do it.
All right, get in here. Hope it's good. I'm gonna wait a few minutes because I know that this one's gonna take longer to cook. Oh yeah, still hard as a rock. This one's gonna take like 5 minutes, tops. All right, let's see if she's, oh yeah, she's just hard as a rock still. So let's do this. Let's just get ourselves some nice cross-cut sear lines. Let's let her just thaw out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna flip it. What I'm afraid of is we're gonna get too burned on the outside, but we'll see. All right, there we are. It's coming together. It's a little, I don't know. I'm not super confident, but let's put our fresh one on now. Now this I know is gonna be good. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so I'm rotating our fresh one. All right, I'm gonna pull this one. There's our frozen one. A little burned on the edges, but I kind of expected that because it just has to stay on too long. One thing you could do, but I kind of wanted to keep them the same, so we could have moved it over and kind of cooked it indirectly, almost like with using oven heat. All right, fresh one's definitely done. This one definitely looks, I don't know, something about this one just seems like a compact, looks like a little brick. This one looks more like a regular steak, don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one's the frozen one. First thing I'm gonna do is cut it open. I know you're not supposed to do this, but cut it open in the middle. I just wanna see how raw it is. Oh yeah, it's raw. I might have to put that back on for a minute. Okay, this one has rested long enough. Let's check out our fresh steak. See how we did. Oh yeah, a little medium rare. Maybe medium, more like a medium. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, medium.
How do you guys like your steak? How do you like it, Chris?
Between medium and medium rare, so that's like perfect for me.
Comment below how you guys like it. That's why I'm telling you guys, infrared is the way to go. Like, nothing is juicier than a sear on infrared. We've tested it before. So that one's a 9. 9.6. Let's find a little piece in here to test. See if I can find a piece that's cooked. Yeah, that's about a medium. Let's see how it tastes. A little more charred on the outside. Flavor's about the same. And honestly, it's just as juicy. It's a little too charred on the outside, so I go 8.5. But what I've learned is you can definitely grill a frozen steak and it's gonna taste good. It took about, what, 3 times longer, Chris?
Yeah.
So there's really no reason to do it. That certainly doesn't taste better, but if you were in a pinch, let's say, and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot to put the steaks out so they could thaw, you can do it frozen, and it's gonna work out okay. We just have to plan a little bit ahead of time. All right, let's get Tate over here. I wanna see if he can tell, or just, I want him to just tell me which one he likes better. Hey Tate. While we're waiting for Tate, don't forget to check out our awesome golf channel. So remember, you guys asked for our golf content to be on its own channel. Well, we did it, and it's doing really, really well. Go over and check it out. We'll include a link below. All right, Tate. You can just use your finger. So try this one.
Okay.
That's number 1. Give me a ranking on a scale of 1 to 10.
Looks delicious. 7-9.
Tate's kind of stingy. He's pretty stingy with stuff like that.
I'm comparing it to like a big old tomahawk.
Okay.
Oh, that's phenomenal.
7.9, 7.9 he went with.
I feel like it's a pretty good score.
Yeah, go with this. Now try this one.
Any ginger for my palate?
No, no ginger for you.
Not as good, I don't think.
Really?
Yeah,
What would you rate it?
6.
Why isn't it as good?
It doesn't have the flavor.
Really, you didn't think the flavor?
No.
I thought it had as good. I think it's a little too charred on the outside.
Doesn't seem as tender on the inside either.
So I'm assuming you know which one is the frozen one. So there
I
you
would
go.
say it's the latter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's right. But if you were in a jam and you had friends coming over and you're like, oh crap, I forgot to put the steaks out, you could get away doing it frozen.
Oh yeah.
It's
That's
good
still-
enough.
That's still better than not having steak at all.
Yeah, I guess that's a good way to put
That's
it.
better than chicken breast, chicken thighs. Still a delicious steak. Mm-hmm. But I know what your caliber is too.
Yeah.
So
That's definitely better.
yeah.
But it's not a 7.8. It's
But-
at least an 8.5.
All right, 8.5, 8.6. I would honestly, I accept a mid to high 8. But if you even think about it too, it's like this one probably being thawed grabbed all of that seasoning and everything better than the one frozen.
That's what we
Probably
were.
helps the flavor.
Yep.
You already thinking that?
Well, it happened when I was doing it. Didn't stick as good.
Makes sense.
All right. That's our experiment. See you guys next time.